Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Devita Aulia. You can call me Miss Devita. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Miss.
Okay. Fadil. Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you are in good condition and ready to learn. Before we start our lesson today, let us pray together according to our own belief. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Finish. Okay, before we start, you can fill in the attendance here. Okay, I give you 3 minutes for scan the barcode. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Don't miss.
Bye.
Sorry.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Yes, Dina.
Sorry, tadi barcode-nya belum ke scan.
Okay. You can start dari sekarang ya. Silahkan langsung di scan.
Don't miss. Udah, Miss.
Okay. Thank you. Before the material, I give you one question. What activities did you do during the holiday? Ada yang mau jawab?
Saya Miss Naila.
Okay, Nate. Boleh.
During the holidays, I spend most of my time at home with my family. I help my parents with house chores, watch movies in the evening, and try cooking simple meals. Even though I did not travel far, I really enjoyed the quality time with my family.
Okay. Ada yang mau coba lagi?
Dina, Miss.
Okay, Dina.
During my holiday, in my holiday, I spend time with my friends. We can cafe, play game, and discuss or play tour. Beside having fun, the holidays help me relax and refresh my mind before starting a new semester.
Okay. Fadil, you can try.
Holidays, I visited my relative in another town. We talked a lot, shared stories, and spent time together. I also explored the area, tried local food, and took some photos to keep as memories.
Okay, nice. Next.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you juga, guys. Next. In everyday life, students often share personal experience with others, such as vacation, school activities, or other interesting events. Jadi, untuk pertemuan sekarang, for the material today, I can give you explanation about three contexts, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. However, many students still have difficulty structuring these stories coherently determine the correct text structure. For the question, why do many students have difficulty in structuring their personal experience stories properly and using the correct structure as simple past tense correctly? I start for the material today. It's recontext. A recontext is a text that retells fans' experience in chronological order structure. First is orientation, two events, three reorientation, and language features. It's three, one simple tense, action verbs, and three time connectors. Before we start the material, you can read the text below. Okay, I give you 5 minutes for read the text. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Finish?
Finish.
Okay, everyone can raise hands if you can read the text, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Ada yang mau baca?
Me.
Oke, Fadil silahkan.
Last Sunday, my family and I went to Pangandaran Beach. We left home early in the morning because we want to enjoy the sunrise. When we arrived, the weather was warm and the beach was not too crowded. First, I walked along the shore and collected some beautiful shells. And then, my younger brother and I played in the water while my parents took pictures. After that, we both grilled corn and fresh coconut water from a local seller. Before going home, we watched the sunset together. It was very beautiful. It was one of the best holidays I've ever had, and I felt very happy and relaxed. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you Fadil. You have a good pronunciation. Thank you.
Of course, Miss. Thank you.
Okay. The next slide, it's explanation of the context. One, it's title. Yeah. Miss perbesar biar bisa terlihat jelas ya. One is title, My Holiday at the Beach. The title shows the main topic of the story, a holiday experience at the beach. And two, orientation. Last Sunday, my family and I went to Pangandaran Beach. This part gives the basic information. Ada gangguan sinyal, jadi kita bisa mulai ulang, oke?
Okay.
Okay. I can give your explanation about the context. I have three. It's when the event happened are last Sunday. Two, who was involved are my family and I. And three, where it happened are Pangandaran Beach. Purpose to give the reader the background of the story. Next slide. Explanation of the context. Three. It even this sectional decisional 10 series of invention chronological order. Ada yang mau bacakan?
Dina.
Boleh. You can start in number one, okay?
Number one, the reader walked along the beach and collected shells. Two, the reader and younger brother play in the water while the Missouri geser.
Okay. Okay, Dina.
The parents took photo.
Okay.
Photo. A tree, the family both grill corn and coconut water.
Yes.
They watch the sunset before going home. Purpose to describe what happens step by step during the holiday.
Okay. Next. Ada yang mau baca lagi?
Lagi, Miss, biar dapat poin.
Boleh.
Okay. It was
one of the best holiday
I have ever had, and I feel very happy and relaxed. This part
Nice.
includes. Oh, stop ya.
Okay. Thank you, Dina. Next slide. I can give you explanation of the context again, okay? 5 language factors. 1 is simple past tense, used because the story tells past event. Example, when, left, arrived, walked, played, bought, watched, and felt. 2 action verbs. Example, walked, played, collected, bought, watched. 3 time connectors. Used to show the sequence of events. Example, first, them, after that, before going home. Next, descriptive details used to describe the situation. The example is 2. The weather was warm. 2. The beach was not too crowded. 6. Overall meaning of the text. The text tells a happy or relaxed holiday experience at Pangandaran Beach. The writer describes the activities with family, the atmosphere of the beach, the food they bought, and the beautiful sunset. In the end, the writer concludes that was of the best holiday ever. Okay, guys. Oh yeah, assignment. I have assignment for you. Wait. Before you start the assignment, you can make a group of 3 or 5 people. Okay?
Alright.
Okay. Before you make the group, you can find sample context, identify what information they need, share roles within the group, decide source for investigation. I give you 6 minutes for your untuk kalian mengerjakan tugasnya, okay? We start the assignment. You can make a group of 3 or 5 people, okay? Next, you'll find sample context, identify what information they need, and share roles within the group. Last, decide source for investigation, okay? I give you 6 minutes for your assignment. Thank you. Kerjain. Kalau udah, Kalau udah kalian bisa bilang finish, okay? Or
Okay, Miss.
okay.
Miss, can I ask something?
Of course.
Ditulisnya di mana? Di chat box or di buku?
Bisa langsung diketik juga bisa. Nanti kalian bisa langsung perwakilan kelompoknya untuk presentasi. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay. Bentar.
Finish, Miss.
Okay. Bentar
Ya,
guys.
Miss.
Okay.
Please.
Bisa. Okay?
Bismillah, Miss.
Okay.
Our group has finished our analysis in Word. First is structure analysis. The context consists of orientation, events, and reorientation. Second, common errors. Students often make mistakes in past tense, even order, and time connectors. Three, solution. Practice past tense, use outlines, and read sample recontext. And four, data and notes. Notes on text structure, common errors, and useful vocabulary. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, good answer. Okay. If the Zoom is finished, you can complete this assignment, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. For last is summarizing. You can raise hand for if you can answer the question, okay?
Me.
Okay.
Muhammad
Okay,
Fadil Akbar.
Dina.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Fadil.
In conclusion, today's lesson helped me understand how to express and recount direction accurately and clearly. I learned the importance of using the correct sequence, clear action verbs, and appropriate tense so the direction are easy to follow. This lesson also showed me that being specific and organized helped me avoid confusion and ensures the message is understood correctly. That's it, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Fadil. The next question is reflecting. Reflecting. If you can answer the question, please raise your hands. Okay? Okay, Dina?
Miss.
Nadia.
Boleh.
Okay, today's season help and how to describe past event or experience clearly and effectively. I learned to organize event in a logical order and use appropriate time expression and the simple past tense. This helped me make my story more correct and easier for readers to understand me.
Okay, thank you guys. Pembelajarannya sudah selesai. Terima kasih telah mengikuti pembelajaran dari saya. Dadah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Bye.